Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to blend two pictures together on the Pixomatic application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, tap on the plus icon down below and then click on Start with Image. Select the picture and after that tap on the plus icon, click on image, select the other one, slide to the right side of the screen until you find the blend button. So here you can find both of these options, tap on modes, and here you can adjust the blending by the help of this slide down below. You can also choose these options such as darkening your picture, plus darker, multiply, color, burn, lighten, plus lighter, and so on. After finding the relevant option, click on the check mark icon in the upper right corner and you can refine it by the help of the refine button. Choose your the size, strength and opacity of your tool and then brush over the area in order to refine it. After that, tap on the checkmark icon at the top of the screen to save your picture. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.